We start by pushing with the back of our hand. Then, at the top, flip our hand and pull. For the second stroke, replicate the movement but spread your fingers apart while pulling. Thirdly, incorporate a zigzag movement while pulling. On the legs, the Platgriff technique can also be performed with just one hand. Always ensure you address the entirety of the legs, not only the middle. Both the inside and outside should be massaged thoroughly. The same principles apply to the posterior part of the legs, but now you can execute a longer movement from the Achilles heel all the way towards the hips. Follow the same 3 movement patterns. Begin by pulling with your fingers connected, then with your fingers spread apart. Lastly, incorporate a zigzag motion into the pulling technique. When massaging the back of the legs, be mindful to avoid applying excessive pressure on the back of the knees. Simply continue repeating these 3 movement patterns. If a specific movement works best for you and the recipient, focus on perfecting it for a more effective massage experience.